Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm showing you guys what I eat in a week. So I took you through Monday through Friday, so like your normal kind of work week, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So many new recipes, so many delicious ideas. Let's go ahead and dive in. So I have my organic blueberries, some organic strawberries, this plant-based dairy-free yogurt. I did a vanilla almond butter grain-free granola that I meal prepped. I will leave the recipe down below. I basically just omitted the chocolate from my chocolate one and did almond butter and vanilla. So let's assemble our little yogurt bowl. So this is my finished yogurt bowl. We have the vanilla almond butter grain-free granola, some organic berries, and some coconut yogurt. Cannot wait to dig in. Looks so good. Just assembling some lunch. I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I put together my falafel bowl. It's like really fresh now that it's getting like a bit warmer out. I don't know, they're really good, and I will leave the link for the falafel balls down below. So we have the falafel balls that are prepped. The coleslaw, I'm gonna add some spinach, some pea shoots, baba ganoush, and pomegranate seeds. So this is my finished bowl. We have the falafel balls, baba ganoush, pomegranates, some greens, some pea shoots, some slaw, and there we go. So dinner is now ready for today, which is Monday. I put the eggplant parm in the oven and it's now done. And then I also roasted some broccoli on the side. So I'm gonna scoop some out. I'm literally so excited. It smells magical here. I will leave the recipe for the eggplant parm down below. It's in its own separate video. So I just finished it off with a little bit of flake salt, but we have our eggplant parm and our broccoli. I'm so excited to dig in. It smells so good. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I am very exhausted today. Akasha, who is my 5-month-old golden retriever, was up 11 times last night. Like, I was up more than I slept. So I was gonna make something different for breakfast, but honestly, my energetic capacity is like 0. So we're gonna have the same thing we had yesterday, a yogurt bowl. It's quick, it's easy. Yeah, you guys know the drill. So here is my finished breakfast bowl, same as yesterday, coconut yogurt, vanilla almond butter, grain-free granola, recipe down below, organic blueberries, and organic strawberries. So I'm about to prep things for my lunch. I'm gonna make a at-home version of the beach bowl from Fresh, which is like a vegan restaurant. I know it's in LA and in Toronto. Anyways, it's really good. It's like roasted veggies, but I'm gonna add some eggs on there for protein, so I'm gonna pop the veggies in. The veggies I'm using are cauliflower rice, some asparagus, and this pepper that I want to cook because it's getting a little bit old. So I want to cook up some veggies, and then we'll have it that. And then when that's out of the oven, I'm gonna add in the dressing, which I'll show you in a minute, half of an avocado, and I already hard boiled these eggs at the beginning of the week. So this is the dressing I like to use. It's just like a lemon garlic dressing. You can always make your own, but I like having these on hand from when I don't want to make my own.
And then they see the results. So it doesn't have to be that in this brain that
So this is my beach bowl recreation. We have cauliflower rice, sun-dried tomatoes, peppers, asparagus, some pea shoots, pumpkin seeds, hemp hearts, a couple eggs. There's avocado buried in there somewhere. So good. And then for a little post lunch, I'm having one of these lemon ginger energy balls, and I will leave the recipe down below. So I almost forgot to show you guys, but I'm so tired today that I just reheated more of the eggplant parm from yesterday and some broccoli. I promise tomorrow I'll try to do some different recipes, but this is just, I was way too tired today to cook anything else. Okay, so we still have bags under our eyes. We are still tired. Akasha just got picked up to go to daycare. She was up 3 times, which is better than the 11. You can probably just feel my energy is like, being up 11 times compared to 3 is a big difference. Anyways, for breakfast, here, let me turn on the pan, start to heat it up. I wanted to make that breakfast quesadilla type thing that I've been seeing on like TikTok. I think it's kind of old now by the time I'm doing it, but we're heating some pan with some avocado oil. I'm gonna have that with some avocado on the side and some berries. So I always get questions on like the tortillas that I use. I really like the brand Unbun. This is their Untortilla, grain-free, keto, all that. I'm gonna put some of this plant-based cheese on it. And then we have avocado and some organic berries, and I'm still drinking my chaga coffee. So this is my finished breakfast plate. We have half an avocado, some berries, and then my egg and plant-based cheese tortilla. Gonna drink the rest of my coffee as well. And yeah, I'm really excited. It's so good. This whole plate just looks delicious. So for lunch, I'm having a similar bowl to the other day with some spinach underneath the slaw. I still have some leftover roasted red peppers from yesterday's lunch, broccoli, my sunflower falafel balls, and then I made this lemon tahini dressing. I'm also gonna add baba ganoush, some pomegranate seeds, and some pea shoots. So we have some veggies in the oven that I'll show you guys when they're done, and then I'm just making one of these grass-fed beef burgers. They're in the freezer. I like them because they're quick. The ingredients are really clean, and it's a great way to like just have a quick protein. So this is my finished dinner. We have sweet potato, asparagus, and a bunless burger, and then I just finish it off with some flaked salt. Hey everyone, happy Thursday. We're back at it for breakfast, and I'm gonna have, honestly, another yogurt bowl again. I try to have like 2 different things in the week, so I've had like yogurt bowl a couple times. I was gonna have the quesadilla again, but I'm like, I'm gonna have eggs at lunch, so I don't wanna have eggs at breakfast and eggs at lunch, so probably have that tomorrow. Oh, I know, sweetie. Okay, mommy will let you out in a moment, boo-boo. So we got the homemade grain-free granola, berries, some organic blueberries and strawberries, and then the cultured coconut alternative yogurt. This is my finished yogurt bowl. So for lunch, I made another one of the beach bowls. We have the eggs, cauliflower rice, some zucchini. I ran out of sun-dried tomato, but I put some pomegranate seeds, avocado, hemp hearts, did I say that? Hemp hearts and pumpkin seeds, and then microgreens on the top. So I heated up the leftover eggplant parm, and then I have some spiralized cucumber with some tahini dressing. Probably will have something after this, but this is like my early dinner because I have clients. And then for dessert, I made this like chocolate ice cream. I will leave the recipe down below, guys. Look how creamy and delicious it is. It is the Nuzes chocolate protein powder, some gelatin to make it really like puddingy, almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, cacao, some frozen cauliflower, and then I topped it with cacao nibs and some chia seeds, and it looks so good. Oh, and like it's loaded with protein because I didn't have a ton of protein in my dinner. Made another of the plate. We have the egg quesadilla, how I made it last time, avocado, and then some berries. Guys, I'm obsessed. This is like my new favorite, like mainly savory with some berries breakfast. So good and so easy too. Hey everyone, happy Friday. I'm very casual today, as we can see, but I wanted to make that breakfast quesadilla again because it was so good and so easy. Like TikTok really came through. So we're gonna make that again with the same avocado and berries. So we have the roasted spiralized zucchini, the slaw again, microgreens, sunflower balls, baba ganoush, pomegranate seeds, a bunch of spinach underneath there. So the day got away from me. I did go for a walk and I had what's called a chill part. Guys, I'm sleep deprived. A chill pill from Nut Bar, which is like this adaptogenic drink. It is like what is it, cacao. There's like a million things in it. I'm gonna like list it all here to show you. I think there's cacao, tocos, ashwagandha, I don't know, there's a bunch of stuff. It was really good. It's like an adaptogenic hot chocolate. But then the day got away from me and now it's time for dinner. It's like 5 o'clock and I'm hungry. I dug out some cauliflower gnocchi from the freezer that I'm gonna have with some asparagus that needs to be made. And then I'm also gonna have some cauliflower salad right now, actually, as I'm hungry, where I cook that kind of like as an appetizer salad. Actually, I'm not sure what else with it. I feel like that's not gonna be enough, but like, I don't know, we're gonna see. I forgot on my walk to go get like salmon or chicken. I didn't, and I was like, oh, do I really wanna go back out right now? And like walk 10 minutes to the grocery store and walk back. I was like, I feel like I have enough food here, you know? And for the cucumber salad, I'm just gonna put on some of this Chosen Foods Greek Goddess dressing. It's made with avocado oils, so no inflammatory oils. Yeah, and it's just really easy. Also, I love my cucumber spiralized. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but it's so much better spiralized compared to like cubed. Maybe I'm crazy, but yeah. Guys, I found a solution. I'm gonna make a cup of bone broth. This is the Vital Proteins organic bone broth. It's like one ingredient, but it has 10 grams of protein per serving, so I'm gonna have that. Oh, and guess who found one of my frozen chocolate chip cookies? Like what I like to do basically is I freeze the dough when it's raw and then you can bake it and have like fresh cookies. Anyways, I thought I didn't have any in the freezer and I found one and it's like, hello. So I took that out of the freezer and we're definitely going to be baking that after. So this is my finished dinner. I ended up grating some of this vegan parm. It's just in some food wrap, but it's by the brand Bio Life, with cauliflower gnocchi, spiralized zucchini, asparagus, and some garlic. It smells so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, what I eat in a week, and saw lots of different new inspiration for you. As you guys can see, I make like the same few things during the week, but I do change up like the flavors and everything like that. And honestly, all the meals were so good. Don't forget, all the recipes will be down below, and I will leave my last like what I ate in a day here on the screen so you can get lots more inspiration, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.